How can you deal with the notion of time in French? The time is le temps. You don't pronounce the P and the S because they are the last consonants of the word and they are not activated by an E. On a le temps. On n'a pas le temps. And this one is interesting because in spoken French, you don't add the ne or the n plus apostrophe for the negation. But as you pronounce the n of on when the following word starts with a vowel, on n'a pas le temps and on n'a pas le temps sound the same and they mean the same. Now the word for the weather is also le temps. So in a way, the time is a kind of an abstraction that is measured by the weather changing. So of course we make the difference, but these are two things around you that you can touch. Le temps. So every time is tout le temps or tout le temps. But the time can also be la fois, chaque fois. Il était une fois.